In this video, we will be going to tell about 16 substitute for accent seasoning plus how to make accent seasoning at home, so let's start now. There can be many reasons behind your hunt for a substitute for accent seasoning. For instance, you have run out of accent seasoning or need a non-MSG accent flavor to add to your recipes. The good news is there are plenty of things in your kitchen you can use as ready alternatives for accent seasoning, containing no monosodium glutamate to bring health harm. Here are 16 accent seasoning substitutes that you can confidently use in moderation to prepare modern or cultural country-based cuisines of America, Asia, or others. To find the best substitutes for accent seasoning, you must be well aware of the accent seasoning ingredients, what does accent taste like, and the flavor of the herbs and spices you are using as an alternative to accent seasoning. Accent seasoning ingredients. Accent seasoning is made with manifold herbs, piquant spices, and vegetable extracts for the perfect blends. According to the label on the package, accent seasoning ingredients comprise salts, chili, spices, vegetable extracts, and chemical compounds. Monosodium glutamate or MSG is the main ingredient, and that's why accent spices are also known as MSG spices. A fusion of salts, blends of chili pepper, and spices like oregano and cumin make accent taste irresistible. This is not it. For the zestful palate, garlic and onion extractives are also part of the recipe, while the natural tinge of the seasoning is due to paprika extracts, yellow 6-lake, and yellow 5-lake. Tricalcium phosphate or TCP works as an anti-caking agent in the formula. Hence, accent seasoning confidently replaces multiple herbs and spices. What does accent taste like? Being a perfect flavor enhancer, accent tastes very good, adds a lot to the flavor, and relishes the overall gusto of the recipe. The taste of accent seasoning is slightly salty or broth-like. Besides this, the seasoning is odorless and just works as an enhancer. However, the MSG added to the ingredients makes accent a controversial seasoning. Chefs use it anyway. When it comes to finding a perfect substitute for accent seasoning, we will have to find options that taste similar. Accent salt substitute as taste enhancers. Accent spice substitutes that we are adding here can be found in the kitchen and made with the amalgamation of various spices at home, and that's without adding any chemical like MSG to the formula. Here are some accent substitutes for accent seasoning you can use without undermining the taste of your platter. 1. Salt. According to the taste of accent seasoning, salt makes the best substitute for accent seasoning. It is a universal flavor enhancer and comes to excite the palate. However, beware of the sodium content in salt when adding to the dish to make it safe for consumption.